I woke up and was immediately pissed off, so I'm going to La La Land to treat myself. I don't know who I'm kidding. I treat myself every day. I buy myself whatever I want, but that's kind of what life's about, right? This is my sexy little car. She's a Jaguar F-Type and my dream car. Brr, I'm cold. I should not have worn a tank top. I forget it's spring and actually cold in the mornings. Everyone always asks me for a skincare routine, but most of the time I leave the house without doing like shit to my face. Now I get to enjoy my like 20-minute drive to La La Land because I live in fucking Yeeville and have to go into the city for it. I'm in line. It's actually really not that bad. I was expecting to wait like 45 minutes. When it's that bad, I go inside, but I'm too famous. That was a fucking joke. I just don't want to see people right now. This little icon is walking by me in a poppy sweatshirt and a matcha. She's like, can't be older than 12. Icon. I don't know if I want a matcha or a coffee. Everything here is really good. Oh! I'm pulling up. I gotta decide. La La Land, if you see this, bring back the butterfly matcha latte before I actually lose my mind, okay? I would do despicable things for that drink. It's like my crack. Can I get the truffle burrata toast? Do you guys have the butterfly latte back yet?
No, it's not back yet.
Okay. I'll do the dirty chai matcha latte then. $18.89, but I said I was treating myself, okay? I recently got my first credit card that's like mine, and I feel like such a fucking adult. Don't worry, I'm like terrified of debt. I feel like the IRS is gonna come for me. I've been asking my dad when to pay taxes since I was like 14. It's such a weird, irrational fear of mine. Shinar Block better not have fucked me up this year because it was the first year that I actually am like doing shit with my life. I got the babies. I thought about doing a mukbang in my car, but based off the looks of traffic, I am not letting it get any worse. I usually get the upside down matcha, and I wish I did because it's a little bit sweeter. This is still good though, like really good. Everything from La La Land's good. There's a homeless person like right next to me, like panhandling, and I'm so uncomfortable. He's not being annoying or anything, but like I always just feel so bad. Of course, I'm stuck in some lovely traffic on the way home, so I had to sit and smell this toast for even longer. Okay, this is like actually genuinely bad traffic. I think I'm gonna like eat as I do this. I'm like rage hungry right now. Oh my god, look how beautiful she is. Finally made it. That was literally torture. I'm so excited. My time to shine. My favorite part is how much chili flakes they put on it. I'm a spicy food queen. It's good, but I honestly should have just made my own breakfast instead of driving an hour for it. I'm gonna watch Just Trish and mukbang in peace. Thanks for watching me be weird.